Assalamu alaikum, my beautiful people. Hello everyone. Today I'll be making some banana and strawberry smoothie for the kids. So I have my evaporated milk here. I have my, everybody know this milk anyway. So I have my banana milkshake and strawberry milkshake. And then today I'll be using my frozen strawberry. I'm not going to be using my fresh strawberry, but if you want to use the fresh one, you can do as well. There's no problem, because I have the frozen one, so I decided to use the frozen one because the kid, they'll be coming home soon in the next 20 to 30 minutes. So I just want to make them their favorite smoothie. You know, it's something about this kid, big or small, they'll always appreciate people. So when you are doing things for the kid, whether you do it right or no, they'll always appreciate you. So it's everything about appreciating people. So yeah, let's start. So I'm gonna be peeling my banana and then I'll be blending it in my food processor. I have my strawberry and my banana in the blender in my food processor, so I'm gonna be adding my milk. Just add the one that's going to help you to blend to make it smooth. I'm going to be adding some of my strawberry smoothie. That is strawberry flavor, 2 spoons. The banana flavor. I'm gonna blend it. Yeah, I end up doubling up the recipe because a sister just called me. She's passing by, so she's coming to see me, and then I double up the recipe so when she comes, she can have some of the smoothie with us. So I decided now I've used 2 cans of evaporated milk. So yeah, so sorry, it's my baby. So I'm gonna blend it now. So I'm gonna blend the second one. So I'm gonna be blending it. That was the first one that I blended. So I'm gonna be adding the second one and mix them together. Yeah, I think this is fine. If you want it too thick as well, you can do so. If you want it a bit light as well, you can do so as well. Just make it to your own taste. I'm gonna be putting my smoothie in. But when you are filling this bottle, you need to be careful because this one I can't really see inside. You cannot see what is. That's the smoothie. As my drink is ready. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. Don't forget to share this video. Thumbs up. If you love what I'm doing, please press the subscribe button and subscribe so they can be seeing more video of this, so they can be seeing all my videos. Whatever I drop there, you'll be the first person to see it. Thank you so much. Thank you.